Hello friends, welcome to Flash tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to create dynamic scrolling text. Open ActionScript 2.0, select text tool and select dynamic text. Change size from here, or you can change family from here. Anti-alias readability and multi-line. And you should change the setting in the embed option. Select the character range all, and in ActionScript click on this export for ActionScript. Click OK. And change the color for text, it's black. Now this is for text, and give it name to text1. Right click here, selection tool, and right click here and select scrollable. Now let's create the button. We already know how to create button. Selection tool, click on rectangle, press F8 and give the name for button up, and press F9 or go to Windows and choose actions. On release text1 dot scroll plus is equal to 1. It means text1 dot scroll is equal to text1 dot scroll plus 1. Copy same thing and paste here. For down button, press F9. Just change here, write minus instead of plus. Now you can put any text here, whatever you want. Control C, Control V. So this is scrollable text. Now let's see the scrollable text. Let's taste this movie. Control Enter. This is for up, this is for down. So this is scrollable text.